From YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the name of a group chat on your PlayStation 5 and then also add a different profile picture. And this is kind of cool, and I use a group chat pretty much for voice chat and party chat so my friends can just easily join it. We don't have to invite people on the PS5. So press the PlayStation button, go on down to the game base right here, go to the chats right here under messages, and you can create a new message group by going to new messages, but I already have one created. You can see I have the B team, A team, and then Diamond team right here, and we can select this now and we can go to one of these chats. So let's go to like the Diamond team right here, and we can go on over to more, and we have group settings, and we can select this and we can change the name of it. So we can go to image now and select a different image, and we can choose a screenshot. Maybe we were in the Share Factory photo editor and we made something like I did here, how to get kills, and it looks like Master Chief or something like that. So we can select this now, and then we can go to a little screen where we can crop it and move it around. So we can zoom in, and then we can rotate it, or we can position it. So let's go to right about here, and then we can zoom in if we really want. How to get kills, and let's lower this position a little bit. Boom, right here, and then we can go to save. And this is going to be the new group image. And then we can change the name under here as well, Diamond Team, or we can change it to like something else. So let's go GG, and let's just add that on there. So you can use a custom name, and it's going to change the name and the group image for everyone else who's in the team. So you can see at the top it's changed, and then let's go back, and it should show up under here as something else. So you can see it says how to get kills, Diamond Team, GG. So go ahead and just customize your group and come up with a cool picture, and then label them so you can easily find them, and then you can add them as your favorite. So you can just go to one of the groups here, and then you can go into it, and you should be able to add it as a favorite right here, and it should show up on the top for you. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.